Gothic Lit, welcome to week 3 of the semester. Are you stoked? I'm sure you are. Okay, this is the last week of our first unit, Unit 1, when Gothica is gruesome. Woo! So, this week you're going to be asked to complete 2 assignments. The first assignment, you're going to think critically about these Gothic themes and how they apply to the world around us. And I really want to see some strong responses. These responses should not just be a sentence or two. I'm looking for at least 4 sentences per response, so this assignment should take you a while. But I really like it because it brings Gothic literature and the themes of the Gothic to the world around us. And I think that's important about literature is we're always reflecting about the world around us, and literature is a reflection of that. It's a statement of our society or a statement of the human experience. And while this Gothic literature is going to be dark and dreary, there is that element of life that is dark. And I think that's what's so fascinating about Gothic literature is it dares to dig deep into that darkness that I think a lot of us try to avoid. So really think about these questions that are being asked this week. Then, and I'm really excited about this, you are going to begin your Gothic literature blog. This is going to be an assignment that is going to last the entire semester. There are going to be 15 different posts that you're going to have to complete with this blog, and you're going to have to submit it every week. Half of it is going to be participation, half of it's going to be graded on content. It will be half of your final exam grade, so please take the time to really learn and experience this blog. But what I'm excited about the most is that you get to decide the direction in which you're going to take your education in this class. And I'm just looking forward to seeing what interests you and how that's going to grow. And make sure you come to class on Wednesday because we're going to be diving deep into this and what is going to be expected of you. One thing I do want to say here is that with the participation aspect of the Gothic literature assignment, I am not accepting your weekly submissions late. I won't. You can submit it late and I can give you pointers on how to improve it for the final draft, but those easy 5 points, I'm not accepting it late. You're either participating or you're not. So make sure that you are active in the class. If you have any questions as we go throughout this week, don't hesitate to ask. And then next week be prepared because we are starting Edgar Allan Poe. Oh yeah. All right, thank you so much and have an awesome week. Bye everybody.